Right now, someone weaker than you is winning. Not because they're smarter, but because they look more certain. They speak without doubt. They move like they own the room. And the world believes them, while you hesitate. You wait for the right moment, the right words, the perfect timing, and as you wait, someone else takes what could have been yours. This isn't about talent. It's not even about skill. It's about one thing: confidence as a weapon. And if you don't carry it, someone else will use it against you. You weren't born hesitant. You were trained to be that way, to ask, "Is this okay?" To shrink when judged. To seek permission before moving. That voice in your head that overthinks, that apologizes before speaking? That's not you. That's the servant you were conditioned to be. And if you don't kill him, you will stay powerless. Power doesn't belong to the best. It belongs to the most certain. Machiavelli knew it centuries ago: the bold advance, even when unprepared. The hesitant stay behind, no matter how brilliant. Dangerous confidence doesn't come from feeling ready. It comes from acting when the inner servant would stay silent. You walk faster. You take up space. You stop softening your tone. You speak like your words are final, not suggestions. The moment you enter a room, you're not looking for approval. You're observing, calculating. Predators don't rush, they wait. And when you speak less, but you mean more. Every word lands like a decision. Every pause makes them lean in. Here's the truth. Most men can be controlled in seconds. Praise them, they chase you. Insult them, they defend themselves. Ignore them, they panic. But the man who doesn't react? He terrifies people. He's unpredictable. Untouchable. That's the kind of man you need to become. Not louder. Not nicer. Colder. Calculated. Emotionally unreachable. Rejection won't hurt you, it will inform you. Insults won't move you, they'll expose the other person's weakness. And praise won't blind you, it will make you ask, why now? This is how you shift from being moved, to moving others. When you kill the servant, the ruler awakens. And the ruler doesn't ask to be chosen. He chooses himself. You stop chasing approval. You stop explaining. You stop needing anything from anyone. Because now, you belong to no one, and that makes you impossible to control. Click on left video from screen and subscribe if you're ready to become untouchable.